Coming to a sensus means that he recognizes he was not meant to live with the pigs. He was
Yes.
not meant to eat the food of the pigs. He's not a pig. He's a
That's right.
man. He's a man. And in coming back to the house of the Father, he is restored. He is restored. That's how life really works. If a man
Mhm.
chooses evil, he chooses us out of the fragmentation and of his mind, which is caused by a darkness in the heart. So repentance, metanoia, the restoration of the nous, the eyes of the heart, that is the return to goodness